To create a group chat on Snapchat. Start by opening the Snapchat app on your iPhone or Android phone. Select the chat icon in the bottom menu. Then tap the blue New Chat icon on the bottom right. Next, choose New Group at the top, and you'll be prompted to give your group a name. This will help you easily identify it. Add the people you want to include in your group. And once you've added everyone, select Chat with Group to create the group chat. You can now send messages to the entire group. If you need to remove someone from the group, open the group chat. Select the profile icons next to the group name, and find the member you want to remove. Long press on their name. Select Remove from Group, and confirm. You can then continue chatting with your group. Creating a group chat on Snapchat allows you to send messages to multiple people at once, making it a convenient feature for communicating with friends or acquaintances.